There you have it, folks. Bacon wrapped, stuffed chicken breasts, barbecue sauce on top. These came out exceptionally well. They look delicious. They smell delicious. All right, let's get started here. I have 4 ounces of cream cheese. I have a little bit of mozzarella cheese because I knocked the bag over. But we got 4 ounces of cream cheese. And I'm going to go with about a cup of mozzarella cheese. And then we're going to get some parsley, about 1 teaspoon of parsley. I'm going to get a teaspoon of black pepper. And this is going to be our mix for stuffing the chicken. Go with about 1 teaspoon of paprika. I want a little bit of that smoky flavor. 1 teaspoon of oregano. And of course, got to keep the vampires at bay. Go with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now, this is going to serve to flavor the chicken and also for stuffing the chicken. So put these to the side. We are done with them. Notice I didn't put any salt in here because there's plenty of salt between the Philadelphia cream cheese and the mozzarella cheese. There's plenty of salt in there. And also with the bacon. There's going to be salt on the bacon. All right, we're going to mix this together. Now, if the cream cheese doesn't seem to be soft enough, you can always throw it back in the microwave and get it a little bit softer, but I think we're good here. Get that mixed in there just like that. Now, guys, you don't want to put a whole lot of stuffing inside of each one because it will start to come out and I just make a mess over everything. You really don't need that. You just want a little bit in each one, give a little bit of flavor. Now for the chicken. All right, so for the chicken, I have here a couple boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Go ahead and trim off some of the fat. All right, now that we're all done, put them back in. What we want to do is you want to take it, fat end, take your knife. You don't want to cut all the way through. You just want to cut a little slot. Just like that. Open it up. Take a little bit of that stuffing mix. Put that stuffing mix right in there. You can put as much or little as you want. Just like that. That. Okay. Get the rest of these done. When we come back, we'll show you the next part. All right, so we got the chicken stuffed. Now we're going to go ahead and wrap it in bacon. Now, I love bacon. Start at one corner. Wrap it. If you need 3 slices, you need 3 slices. Never enough bacon. Wrap it just like that. Now, I want you to preheat your oven for 400 degrees. We're going to lay these right on our cooking rack and get the rest of these wrapped up. Now we're going to cook it with the seam side down. We're going to cook it that way. That's how it's going to cook the whole time. All right, folks. Now that we have all the chicken wrapped in bacon, now you can go ahead and add any kind of seasoning you want on there. That honey chipotle Killer Bees rub would be great on here, but we're going plain. We're not going to put anything like that on there because Mom doesn't like it because of the spices, and I really just want to try to keep this as original as possible. So we're going to go ahead and put these in the oven, 400 degrees. Put them in there for an hour. We're going to check them in a half an hour. We'll check them, make sure that they're coming up the temperature right and everything is looking good, and then finish off for the last half hour. And when we get done, we'll show you what they look like. All right, so after a half an hour, folks, you can see that they are cooking up very nice. Got a little bit coming out here, but that's fine. That's all good. We got another half hour to go. We're going to put these in for another half hour. Then we're going to make a sauce to put on top of it. Alrighty, so it's been in there for another 15 minutes. We're going to go ahead and put some barbecue sauce on here. Now today I'm just using some store-bought original barbecue sauce. And just give a little bit of extra barbecue flavor there. Because we're not using our smoker today.
We knew it'd be done.
Mom already picked out her piece. Mom picked out the piece with the extra strip of bacon on it. Go figure. I do the cook. I do the cooking, and she gets the extra bacon. She's special, she says. All right. A little bit more sauce on that one. Yeah, she's old. So speaking of old, by the way, guys, speaking of old, I wanted to talk to you real quick. I'm going in for hip surgery on February 10th. I'm having my left hip replaced. So this is going to be probably one or two of the last videos that I'm going to be making until after surgery. Going to be interesting. 54 years old and having a hip replaced. I'm going to go ahead and get these back in the oven for another 15, maybe 20 minutes. And we'll pull them out, slice into them, see how we did.
And subscribe.
There you have it, folks. Bacon wrapped, stuffed chicken breasts, barbecue sauce on top. These came out exceptionally well. They look delicious. They smell delicious. One last thing to do, we're going to take one of these and we're going to slice open and see how we did. I can't wait to try one of these. See how we did. All right, guys, got our piece picked out here. Go ahead and, oh yeah. Oh, look at that cheese just, oh yeah. There you go, guys. There you go, right there. Look at that. Oh, cheese just coming on out. The juice is coming off it. All right. Give ourselves a little slice here. Oh yeah. Cut this in half. It's a little warm. All right, guys, let's see how we did. Cheers. Perfect. Tender, juicy. Just the right amount of seasoning. Try this, guys. You'll love it. Do me a favor. Like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. And as always, God bless and happy eats.